Livestock are seen as a villain of climate change. But which livestock and where? Urgent demands for climate action have triggered calls for radical changes in what we eat and how food is produced. Livestock production is a significant source of greenhouse gas emissions. But as we show in a new report, different ways of producing food can have very different effects. In current debates, relatively low-impact, extensive livestock farming is being lumped in with industrial production of meat and milk. Simplified global assessments and data coming from industrial systems may mislead. For example, equating carbon emissions from cows and cars. In our report, we argue that we need a much more nuanced approach. The most climate-damaging diets are concentrated amongst a rich consumption elite, but animal-sourced foods remain a vital source of nutrition for vulnerable populations around the world. Pastoralism and other extensive livestock systems make use of over half the world's land surface, from the dry lands of sub-Saharan Africa to the Arctic Circle. In these areas, many millions of livelihoods depend on producing food from livestock in highly variable environments where alternatives just do not exist. Yet pastoralists are repeatedly ignored in global debates about climate change and the future of food. Extensive livestock production can improve the environment, enhance biodiversity, and address climate change through sequestering carbon in rangelands. As global leaders make decisions about the future of food and farming, it's essential to understand the differences between ways of producing animal products in different parts of the world. In the report, we argue that pastoralism and extensive livestock production can and should remain part of a low-carbon future.